Yo, what's up? This is John from JJ University Garage in the pitch, capital of the state, baby. All right, boys and girls, let's talk about oven cleaner. I use oven cleaner for a lot of stuff. Degreasing a car, it'll take paint off, chassis parts, frame parts, a lot of stuff. Also, I've been trying this 409 heavy duty oven cleaner. Um, and it seems like it's working pretty good. Lemon scent. So I got a little bit of oil and brake oil, or excuse me, brake fluid and a little bit of oil on my concrete here. So I wet the concrete a little bit, and then you just take this right here, wear you a mask, and you just saturate it in there real good. Then you take your brush, tire brush, you scrub it in there really, really good. Let that soak. Get the pressure washer out, hit it with some hot water, and it's all good. So I appreciate it. Don't worry about the man up the road or the man down the road. Swoop off your own front porch where we're out sweeping off anybody else. Let's put golf first at loose end drive. Peace out and chicken grease. I'm out.